In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Airtable appearance. If you want Airtable to feel more comfortable to use, adjusting the appearance settings is a quick and simple way to do it. Whether you prefer a lighter look, a darker interface, or just want to explore the available display options, Airtable makes this easy to manage from your account menu. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can update the way Airtable looks on your screen in just a moment. To begin, make sure you're signed into Airtable and looking at the main workspace or dashboard area. Once you're there, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens the account menu where Airtable keeps a variety of personal settings and preferences. If you ever need to customize your account experience, this menu is usually the place to start. After the menu opens, look through the available options and click on Appearance. This will take you to the section where Airtable lets you control how the interface is displayed. The appearance settings are designed to help you personalize your workspace visually, which can be especially useful if you spend a lot of time in Airtable throughout the day. For example, some users prefer darker themes to reduce eye strain, while others like a brighter layout for better visibility. Once you're in the appearance section, select the option you want to use. This is a step where you choose your preferred appearance setting. Depending on what Airtable currently offers in your account, you may see choices such as light mode, dark mode, or a system-based setting that matches your device preferences. Simply click the one that works best for you. In most cases, the change will apply right away, so you can instantly preview how the new appearance looks. As a helpful tip, if you're unsure which setting to keep, try each available option briefly and see which one feels easiest on your eyes and best for your workflow. If you work during the evening or in low light, a darker appearance may feel more comfortable. If you work in bright environments, a lighter setting may be easier to read, and that's all it takes to change Airtable appearance. It's a small adjustment, but it can make your workspace feel more personalized and comfortable to use every day.